Today I will show our hot selling product. This is RV table leg. It is made of aluminum and can be applied to the campervan and marine. This table leg has two advantages. It is adjust on the height and disassemble. Because our city is knocked down and because of the coronavirus, so I stay at home to show this product. We don't have the tool for the installation. I just give you some instruction. First, this is the table mount. There is 6 holes on the table mount, and we use the electric driver fix this table mount to the car floor. We think the good with the screw, with many screws, so you just prepare your tools, electric driver. Fix the screws by the electric driver on these 6 holes. And after we install the table mount, we can tape this. We can install this table mount on the top. This table mount is used to collect it to the table top. You can make your table top with the wood or other material. We can drive the screw on it. After we install this table mount to the table top, and then we can the next we install this table leg to this table mount by the hand, like this. Okay. After we install this table leg, we install this table top on the top. After we end the installation, we can adjust the height in the effective range. Any height you want, and after adjust the height to the place you want, you just lock this knob. That's all. If there is a table top on it, we can work on it or have your dinner on it. It is okay. And if you don't think the height is not fit, you can unlock this knob and adjust it again and lock it again. There you can look, there is any gear here, so you can adjust the height in the range. You can adjust the height to any place you want. If you don't need it, you can remove the tabletop first. Then remove the table leg. And you can storage them to some place and just left the table mount on the floor. It doesn't occupy your car room. And thank you for watching my show. If you have some question, you can text to me, and we'll try best to answer it. 有没有question？
那个底座的按钮展示一下。这个是防滑的。
There is the lock, also lock at here. If you install the table leg, it will lock the table leg. Not relax when the car is on driving. If you this one can lock the table leg after installation. Mm. 有啥？
还好几个杆呢。
没有。
量一下高。
I forgot to show you the adjust. And the lowest height is 500 millimeter. Sorry, because it is not fixed on the floor. Sorry, not easy to operate. After it fixed to the floor, it is easy to installation or remove. I will show you the lowest height. It is lowest height. It is 50 centimeter, 500 millimeter. Here we can remove it to close. And we are just to the most highest height. It is about 700 millimeter. It is the here. It is max height. Because we at home, so and we can't go outside and go to the office, so we just have one model table leg in the home. In fact, we have many kinds of table leg. Also has the one model, the fixed height. The height is can't be adjustable. And also there is survivor table leg. It has the similar function to the Lagui table leg, and also has the electric table leg. For the RV, it is always had in the car work, and also have other kind of electric table leg. It can swivel and can slide in and hit on the and adjustable on the height, and also have the double height. You can fix 2-layer tabletop. Many kind of table leg, and we are also developing other new design, and it will come to the market next year, and I will introduce the new one to you on the next show. Thank you. If you have some question, please text it to me. 没有说啥吗？
关了。
没关。可以给他们发送目录哦。在哪呢？在我的微信里面有。它只能在这个上。没有。发送其他的。可以发送网址吗？
可以了吗？可以了。
在意这个，有人离开吗？
不知道。
Okay, if you don't have the question now, we have to say goodbye and Happy New Year. And if you have some question in the future, please send the inquiry to me. Thank you. Bye bye. Happy New Year.